Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. In this video, let's learn about type type eraser in Java. Okay, so let's proceed. Type eraser is a fundamental concept in Java's implementation of generics. Okay, it refers to the process by which generic type information is removed or erased at compile time. Okay. This means that friends, although you can use generic types during development to provide type safety at runtime, the JVM doesn't retain information about the generic types used. Okay, so this is done to ensure backward compatibility with older Java code that didn't use generics. Hence, during compilation, the Java compiler translates generic code into a more general form that doesn't contain type parameters. Okay, friends. So all type specific information is removed and replaced with a more general or raw type. This is known as type erasure. So the main function of type erasure is to maintain compatibility with pre-generic Java code and to allow programs that use generic types to interact with those that don't. Okay, so type erasure is essential for ensuring backward compatibility as well. Okay friends, so let's see code example of type erasure to understand better for the better understanding of this concept in Java. So friends, here I do have one class with name generic box. Let's convert that class into generic class. So take angle brackets and write parameter t, type parameter of type t. Okay, now let's define one field with variable atom of parameter type t. Okay, now let's create one method with name set atom, which passes the parameter t and variable atom. Okay, so differentiate between local variable and instance variable. Later on create one more method, public get atom, and return atom. Okay, so friends, now let's come into main class and create an object for class generic box. Generic box, which is our generic class. Now let's complete our left side. Write the class name, generic box. Data type is string, and write the instance name as string box. Okay friends, let's save the code. And now let's call the set atom method over the instance string box dot set atom, pass the message welcome to Java programming. Okay, nice, fine friends. String box, I misspelled the instance name. Okay friends, now it's correct. So friends, create one more instance of class generic box with name int box. So let's proceed. New generic box, new generic box. Here G is capital, use the diamond operators and our constructor. Let's come into left side, again write class name as generic box and write the instance name as, sorry, data type I have missed, write the data type integer and write the instance name as int box. Okay, so friends, we have to created here two instance of generic class generic box. So now let's call the method set atom over the instance int box. So write the instance name dot and select the set atom method from this list. Pass the integer value. I am passing the integer value as 52. Okay, now save the code. Now friends, till this line number 22, I do hope that you understand the code whatever we have done till the second instance int box. So now let's move forward. Now friends, let's create to check a generic type. Now we will have to attempt to check a generic type. So let's proceed. Let's write code for that. If string box dot get atom now let's use the instance of operator here, instance of parameter type t, which will print string box contains a generic type. String box contains a generic type. Okay, so friends, now you can see that we have an error here. Cannot make a static reference to the non-static type. Okay, Now similarly, if we attempt to create an array with a generic type, which will also result in a compilation error. So let's see that as well. Parameter, let's try to attempt create an array of of with type generic equal to new. Array size is 5. You can see that, friends, here we do have an error as well. Cannot make a static reference to the non-static type G. So friends, what we have done here, we are attempting to check the generic type itself using if string box dot get atom instance of parameter type t, and attempt to create an array with generic type t. These lines result in compilation errors because the type information about t is erased at runtime, and the compiler does not have access to this information. Okay, so these are typical examples of the effects of type erasure in Java generics. Now if we try to run the code, we do get an compilation error. So friends, these compilation errors illustrate that we cannot directly check or create arrays with a generic types due to type erasure. Okay friends, so this is all about type erasure in Java. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Code GB. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding. Thank you once again.